So ginagawa namin pag mainit, medyo nandito kami sa lilim. So lunch muna tayo. Nandito tayo sa loob ng parang canteen nila. So dito malamig, di ba? So may pila din.
Oh, yes.
May beer eh. That's beer. Nakakatawa yung ano nila dito. Bali may mga lunch. Iron Man, you know. So ako yung order ko, merong yung fried chicken combo, si Tin yata burger. So tapos na yung order dito, kukunin na dito. Yan. Ito malaki, diet coke. Ano to? Ice lemon tea.
So cute.
Nakakatuwa yung burger. Nakakatuwa Iron Man. Iron Man burger. Tapos ano ito? Rice. Ito yung order ni Step Iron Man. Ito yung order namin na chicken.
Just like you want to eat.
Kain muna tayo guys ha. Let's go. How does it taste? Red Iron Man. Done eating guys. Let's go. No more.
Do you want to?
May nakilala kami dito na nag-work dito sa restaurant. Si Ate. Favorite. Iron Man. Let's go. Dito na tayo. Andito na tayo sa loob kaso bawal camera.
So, he invented his own.
He adopted his new energy invention, the arc.
Stark, and I'm ready to save the world again. We at Stark Industries chose Hong Kong, run by the largest arc reactor I've ever built, and generates enough excess energy to power an obsessive dedication to providing clean energy for everyone.
Tiếp進入倉位，沿住座位通道直入， 盡量填滿每一個空。
Nakakahilo pero okay lang. Iron Man done.
Down here, Zola's factor overwhelming.
Nandito kami sa Ant-Man and Wasp.
都阻止唔到啲機械蟲。聽唔聽到 ？Ant-Man，我小心你嘅方式，星期馬上上，準備同你戰鬥。
Wala. Shooting talaga yung shooting. Nandito na tayo. Diba guys? Wala tayong upuan.
Oh yeah.
Let's go for the expo shop. Nandito kami sa expo. Iron Man. Everybody look at that bus. Doctor Strange.
Does anyone else have a hero pose too?
Oh, they're basically maybe something with the Mr. Cards. I'll try and read
Doctor Strange.
I think Strange is teaching. That's I don't know. But do you have a hero like that too? Yeah. Oh, you can turn around. This way, so back to
Okay,
back.
that's all right. I like the honesty. Good. All right, so we're gonna do something simple. $1. Very simple, but
Strange. Kasi Rock Hive. Pero dito, mauna na akong pumila. First in line. Oo.
It's like just like a makeup.
First in line tayo guys dito sa Ironman experience. Diba? Ganyan. So mag-open siya ng 3 o'clock. Nandito tayo ng 2:45 kaya tayo nauna. Konti na lang, pwede na tayo pumasok guys. So number 1 pa ni Ironman nandito. First in line. See?
通過咗我哋嘅保安檢查㗎啦。咁小姐 Ironman 交俾你啊！
Someone say Iron Man. If not, somebody say Iron Man.
Ironman!
Okay, let's make it happen.
Highly recommended natin yung Ironman. Matutuwa kayo. Ang ganda kasi talagang kala mong totoong yung ano niya,
It's
no?
a good suit though.
Oh,
It's a
yung
good
suit.
costume.
Oo, grabe. Ang ganda.
Made out of real.
Metal, no? Bakal talaga eh. Ganda, ganda. Yan, yung ano, yung parang
There's one on
spaceship,
that's the same
tas
thing,
pahilo-hilo.
but like fantasy.
anong tawag yan?
Dumbo. There's it's
Wonderland,
like
Wonderland.
Dumbo.
Tomorrowland.
Oh yeah,
Ayun, oh.
Tomorrowland. Tomorrowland is it's equivalent to the Dumbo one, the flying Dumbo.
Oo, parehas yun ng Dumbo. Yung parang Dumbo, sinuot natin, parang ganun. Medyo nakakahilo yun, yung pag hindi kayo sanay, yung paikot-ikot. Kaya hindi namin gano'ng sinasakyan yun.
Space Mountain. Oh, Hyper Space Mountain.
Saka yung ano, yung maganda dito, yung sinasakyan namin kasi time check, alas 3 na. Sa loob muna kami, ngayon pwede na kami sa labas. So, syempre pupuntahan natin yung bago ngayon, yung Frozen guys, kasi
Kasi may 4 o'clock ako.
doon tayo pupunta ngayon.
Maybe that's good for them.
So madadaanan natin dito yung punta ng Frozen, yung favorite ni Steph, Storybook Theater. Mami, ito di ba? Storybook Theater. Ito. 4:30.
A small one.
Dito, hindi pa.
That's
4:30 pa nakalagay, mami.
4:30 yun?
Oo. Let's not
4:30?
Oo. Ito yung classic na ano, tandang-tanda na step. At sino mag-i-enjoy. Parang ano to, yung rated PG, di ba? Lahat.
Yeah,
It's a
but
small
people
word.
kind of feel the dolls are kind of creepy. But it's just their opinion.
Sasakay ka sa tren or ano, parang basta boot yata yun, boot. Tapos lahat kumakanta na sa small word, iba-ibang languages.
Sige, isang popcorn na lang. Si The Boy.
Ayan na yung small word. Pasok na, paano? For entrance, go. Maikli yung line. Yun, malamig na dito sa loob. May maganda dito eh.
Exercise tayo ah.
Pagpasok dito, may pila pa rin, mahaba. Oh, naalala ko na ganito yung pila dito. Ayun yung sasakyan natin, guys. Tatluan talaga. So ito yung sasakyan natin, guys. Na ano, first ano tayo dito. Nakasakay na tayo, guys, sa first ng boat, no? First ng boat. Yay! Let's go! Tuk 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 tuk. Picture na kami! Video muna tayo. Yay!
同埋，請你看管你嘅小朋友，多謝合作。For your safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your children.
Walang nakikita. Oh, what's this? Baka Disneyland to. Japanese. Si Circus, oh. Salamat, jalan. Classic yun. Masaya pa rin. Nakaka-enjoy. Pero medyo nahihilo ako pag gaganon eh. Astig dito, oh. Ibang klase. Uy! Stephanie! Oh. Dali, dali.
Kasi kita yan, kamat. Na. Yan, kaya. See you later.
Going to her station.
Tapos na.
Is Anna?
Sabi sa'yo.
that or she's gonna go to the after.
So, bali yun yung pang-apat nating attraction na napuntahan. Una, yung Iron Man na 4D. Pangalawa, yung Ant-Man na shooting. Tapos pangatlo, yung interaction with picture taking with Iron Man. Pang-apat tong Small World. Then, try natin makapunta ngayon sa Frozen, yung bago nilang attraction 2025. Wow, ayun na. Huh? Arendelle, let's go. Let's go, Arendelle. Ano to dati? Wala? Sarado to dati. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Arendelle. Kumbaga, I think bago to eh. Bago talaga to. Stephanie, shades ka? Stephanie, shades ka ba?
Ay, ito yung entrance ba?
Standby entrance. Oh, pila na tayo.
No, that's the
Sliding yun. Sliding.
Yeah, we're looking for point
Wow! Ayun! Oh no, yun. You went there? Minsan against the light yung ano eh, yung kuha eh. Mag-picture tayo.
Stephanie, here, ayusin mo yung hair mo.